Hi all, welcome back to my channel. Now let's see the book back exercise. First question, why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? Give two examples. The answer is, when two or more substances are mixed together, they form a mixture. Components of a mixture should be separated because some components may not be useful or may spoil the useful component of the mixture. And the examples are, the tea leaves are separated from the liquid with a strainer while preparing tea, and the removal of stone pieces from wheat, rice, or pulses by hand. Second question, what is winnowing and where it is used? The method of separating the components from a mixture is known as winnowing. In this method, heavier and lighter components of a mixture are separated by wind or by blowing air. This method is used by farmers to separate lighter husk particles from heavier seeds of grain. Third question, how will you separate husk or dust particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? And the answer is, the husk and dirt particles are separated from pulses by winnowing method. Fourth, what is sieving and where it is used? Sieving is a method in which fine particles are sieved through holes in the sieve, while the bigger impurities remain on the sieve. Sieving is used in a flour mill to separate impurities like husk and stones from wheat before grinding. It is also used at construction sites to separate pebbles and stones from sand. Fifth, how will you separate sand and water from their mixture? The mixture is allowed to stand without any disturbances, and now the sand settles down. Slowly pour the water into another container to obtain sand in the bottom. Sixth question, is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? And the answer is yes, it is possible to separate sugar mixed with the wheat flour by the following methods. First one, mix sugar and wheat flour in water and stir the solution to allow the sugar to dissolve. After stirring, now filter the mixture. The filtrate contains the sugar solution and the residue will be the wheat flour. Seventh question, how would you obtain clear water from a sample of muddy water? Yes, by the following process. First, allow muddy water to stand. Mud gets settled down in the water, and now slowly pour the water into another container. Eighth, fill in the blanks. The method of separating the seeds of paddy from its stalks is called threshing. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. This process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. Third, salt is obtained from seawater by the process of evaporation. And impurities settled at the bottom when muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket. The clear water was then poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this example is called decantation. True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. It's false statement. Second, a mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. False. Third, separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. The answer is false. Last question. Lemonade is prepared by mixing the lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? The answer is, ice should be added to lemonade after dissolving sugar. because it is possible to add more sugar before adding ice. That's all. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe my channel.